In this video, we'll explore 7 ways you may use the potential of ChatGPT to generate income. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, we've got you addressed. Let's dive in. But before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. Number 1. Email writing. With ChatGPT, there are many ways to generate money. For instance, you can send emails based on the information provided. Emails are widely used in a variety of industries, including software and digital marketing. For instance, a software company's HR department may require sending emails to candidates who are hired. Additionally, the most popular technique in digital marketing is emailing. You can use ChatGPT to write emails, deliver them to different prospects, and get paid for doing so. An easy side business to start online is this. Number 2. Online tutoring problems. All of the content that is accessible on the internet is filtered by ChatGPT. Using this, you may produce quality content on a range of subjects, publish it on your website, or sell it to others for a fair price. These can also be used to make a video that you can upload to YouTube. Students can earn money by answering numerous questions on websites like Chegg, Quora, etc. With ChatGPT, you can profit in such circumstances. Number 3. Translation services. As we are in a world of thousands of languages, translation service is one such area that has great potential to earn money online. Based on their ability in a given language, ChatGPT can translate a variety of languages with respectable grammar. You may translate a variety of books, novels, documents, and even social media posts with ChatGPT. One of the simplest ways to earn money with ChatGPT is to use this work. Number 4. Create PowerPoint presentations. The PowerPoint presentations are frequently utilized in seminars at large multinational companies and in classroom settings. With the information we provide, ChatGPT can create a quality PPT. Based on their content, these PowerPoint presentations can be sold to a variety of businesses or individuals. However, since ChatGPT only provides text responses, there are a few procedures you must take to extract a PPT. Either the VBA code needs to be run in PPT or the Python PPT prompt needs to be installed. To learn how to produce PPTs using GPT-4, you can watch a variety of YouTube tutorials. Number 5. Resume creation. A resume is a crucial document that is necessary for job interviews. People who are starting their jobs may find it challenging to create a resume. In these situations, people look online for resume writers with the best skills to help them land their ideal position. In these situations, ChatGPT can be quite beneficial. You must look for the ideal template for the supplied job description and input the customer's information. The resumes can be edited in the greatest way feasible. A single resume is created by resume creators for a very reasonable price. Number 6. Write product descriptions. There are millions of things for sale on the online market. Each product must be exhibited with a thorough description. And there is a great demand for content writers who can do this. Information about recruiters searching for product description writers can be found on websites like Fiverr. With the information you supply, ChatGPT-4 can write an effective description, making it one of the simple methods to monetize ChatGPT. Number 7. Content writing. A lot of businesses are going online and developing their websites. To enhance traffic from search engines, these websites require content. For instance, a software-as-a-service company can demand a thorough essay on the subject of the service they offer, or a finance company might ask for content on the effect of recent high court judgment on stock market. In such circumstances, ChatGPT can provide you with in-depth articles from multiple sources, which you can filter over time. Depending on the subject and the amount of time offered, content writing offers respectable compensation. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned.